So hello everyone, so this is our writers app, and here we are going to change the home screen. We don't need this sign out button. We can use an app app bar, then background color, Foodpanda color, then title, text, Foodpanda riders or rider, style, text style, color, colors dot white, center title to true, and icon theme data color, colors dot white. So this is how it looks, and then we can add drawer, my drawer. So you have to import it from our users app. So where is drawer? Here under widget we have drawer dot dart, my drawer dot dart. So let's paste it here, and we are already getting some error because instead of users we have to write riders, and we can remove this line, and after that we can remove this one as well. So let's see how it looks. So we are all also getting some error. So my drawer, so rider, home, history, and sign out. So now let me add a body, container, padding, edge inserts dot symmetric, vertical 50, horizontal 1, child, grid view dot count, cross axis count to 2, then add padding, edge inserts dot all to 2, children. So let me create a new function called card, make dashboard item, string title, icon data int index, return card, elevation to 2, margin, edge inserts dot all 10, child, container, decoration, index equals 0, and or index equals 3, index equals 4, box decoration color something like color 0xffef, sorry, not of 0ef, E0, E7, so something pinkish. Then border radius dot circular 10, border dot all with two color, Foodpanda color. Then we can add another box decoration and paste it here. Let's import global.dart. So we have to add null check. Then after this we need to add semicolon. Then we can add child after this box decoration. So child, actually we can use only one box decoration, or let's keep it that way. So we can use gesture detector, on tap, if on tap, if index equals 0, if index equals 1, then up to index 5. So indexed 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now in our body we can write make dashboard item new available orders, then icons dot assignment, and index I can give it like 0. So I need to add after this gesture detector, this on tap, we can write child column children cross axis, sorry, not here it should be cross axis alignment, dot stretch main axis size dot minimum, vertical direction dot down, then center child center child icon data size 40, and color we can give it like Foodpanda color. Then after this we can add another column here, and write we can add a size box of height 10. Then we can write text, and we can give it like title. Then we can change the style of the text, so text style, font size 16, and colors Foodpanda color. So we can give it like main axis alignment dot center. So we can actually remove this one, and we can remove this column as well, and cross axis alignment dot center. So that's it. Now we can add more children. So let's write, so one should be parcels in progress, not yet delivered, and history. Or you can give it like earnings, then history, and finally log out. So now we need to make those screens, so let's create those. Hello everyone, so before we write code for our screens, I'm going to add assistant methods at first and model class. So let's add them from users. So I'm going to add address, items, menus, and sellers. So let's copy them. Actually I can copy the whole directory and paste it in our lib folder, and then we don't need these directions dot, so I can just remove it. And then I'm going to add assistant methods, so I can just copy it from our sellers app and paste it in our lib folder, and we need to change the name to users instead of riders instead of sellers. And then we are going to add another dart file called get underscore current underscore location. So here I'm going to add a class called user location. So get current location async position new position equals to await, geolocator dot get current position, desired accuracy, location accuracy dot high, position equals to new position, place marks equals to await, so in our global.dart we can assign few variables called position, and let's import geolocator, and then we are going to add list place mark place marks. So here you can import geocoding.dart, and I'm going to add few more variables called, one should be string complete address, we can give it like empty string, and then string, another string per parcel delivery charge equals to around 60, so 60 taka, and then previous earnings equals to empty string and string previous rider earnings equals to previous seller earning. And this is rider's old earnings. So now we can go to our get current location, and we can import global.dart, and then we can write place mark from coordinates position dot latitude and position dot longitude. Place marks p mark equals to place marks 0, complete address, you have to make it capital letters, so place mark p mark complete address equals to p mark dot sub through fare, then p mark dot through fare, then comma p mark dot sub locality, then you can just copy it, and this should be locality, then add a comma, then paste it again, so this should be sub administrative area, and then comma, paste it again, and write administrative area, then postal code, and finally country after a comma. So that's it. Now whenever we call this function, we should get our complete address. So now we can write code for our home screen. So I'm going to add navigator dot push context material page route context new order screen. So I'm going to add that from our sellers app. So new order screen and order details screen, and paste it in our main screen. And then I'm going to copy our order card and shipment address. So let's change this to riders and copy it, then paste it here. And then for order card we can write riders, then for order details riders, new order screen Foodpanda underscore riders. And we can call our new order screen. So we are still getting an error, so we need to import copy status banner and simple app bar as well. So status banner and simple app bar, and paste it in our widgets and change these to riders. So that's it. Now if we click here, we go to new orders items, so let me fix that. So go to order, let's close other tabs and open our new order screen. So here we are going to change this to another stream. So firebase firestore dot instance dot collection orders dot where status is equal to normal, then dot order by order time descending to true dot snapshots. Now you can see our orders, and we need to change this one. So instead of seller UID, I'm going to write order by. So if I click here, we can see the users who order the parcel or food. So now let's create other screen. So one should be parcel in progress. Let's go to our home screen. So parcel in progress, and another one is not yet delivered. And then total earnings, and then history screen, and finally sign out. log out. So we can actually copy this one and paste it here. So that's it. Now we are going to create other screens as well in the next video.